Namaste, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to AI Guruji, your one-stop shop for exploring the wonders of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Ram Naresh Jha, and today we're embarking on a thrilling journey, building your very own chatbot. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular, used everywhere from customer service to entertainment. The good news? You don't have to be a coding master to create one. Whether you're a tech whiz or a complete beginner, there's a chatbot building path for you. Are you comfortable with code? Then building your chatbot from scratch might be your calling. This approach allows for maximum customization, but it requires some technical know-how. You'll need to choose a programming language. Popular options include Python and Java. Research sample code. Find examples online to get you started. One resource is GitHub, a platform where developers share code. You can search for chatbot sample code and find various projects in different languages. Select a chatbot building platform. Several platforms offer tools and frameworks specifically designed for chatbot development. Examples include Rasa and Microsoft Bot Framework. Customize your bot. Tailor its personality, responses, and functionalities. Test, deploy, monitor, and update. Ensure your chatbot runs smoothly, fix any bugs, and keep it up to date. Don't let the fear of code deter you. With no-code chatbot platforms, anyone can create a chatbot. Here's how. Identify your purpose. What do you want your chatbot to do? Answer questions, schedule appointments, or provide customer support. Choose a platform. Many user-friendly platforms offer drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built templates to simplify the process. Popular options include ChatFuel, ManyChat, and BotMaker. Design conversations. Craft engaging dialogues that your chatbot will use to interact with users. You can use a simple example like, User, hi, chatbot, hello, what can I help you with today? Test and train. Fine-tune your chatbot's responses and ensure it understands user queries effectively. If you have some coding experience and crave more control, code-based frameworks might be the perfect fit. These frameworks offer database tools, store and manage user data and chatbot responses, analytics features, track your chatbot's performance and user interactions, AI integration, enhance your chatbot's capabilities with machine learning and natural language processing. Remember, building a successful chatbot requires dedication and continuous improvement. Start with a clear vision, choose the approach that suits your skills, and don't hesitate to experiment and learn along the way. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of chatbot creation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Guruji for more exciting AI adventures. Now go forth and build your first chatbot. Namaste and happy bot building.